What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. There's so much that needs to be discussed when it comes to the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 5, just because of the history of the Z Flip 4 and the Z Flip 3, and the consumer feedback on what should be in the next iteration of this device. Now, everyone has their critique and what they think should be on there. I have mine as well. And in my previous video, I did mention that most of the feedback I was hearing was people primarily wanted to see a larger outer display and better cameras for sure, and a better battery. So I came across this video with a concept of what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 could look like, and I think this seems pretty practical, and it looks like they redesigned the aesthetics. This is just a rendering, by the way, just a rendering. So but it's pretty spot on to what I think could be the look of what the Z Flip 5 might look like. So before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, I do these videos, so often. I do tons of videos like this. So if you are interested in this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button on your way in. It definitely helps out, just because you're probably going to forget about it later. So we're going to look at this trailer / concept for what the Galaxy Z Flip 5 should look like. So, and then we're going to discuss it after. So we're on YouTube right now. Let's see. Whose channel is this? Tekenzo Concept. So I guess they make concept type of videos. So we're going to check it out really quick. It looks pretty good, I will say. It looks good as far as... Alright, I'm gonna pause it right here really quick, just to discuss. So it looks like, at least for this concept, that the phone is more boxy, more, resembling that iPhone look now, with the more boxy frame. And as you can see already, it has a larger outer display. So I don't know if they're going to show, certain functions of what the outer display can do on this concept video, but let's see. We're going to see. Not to pause it too much, but again, I think whoever made this concept, what they basically did was merge the Z Flip design and the iPhone design. It's basically created this, which it doesn't look bad. It looks good to me. Best of both worlds. Tell me that does not look great to you. Wouldn't you like to have a device that looks like that? Look at that outer display. It looks so user-friendly, like you can utilize it for a lot of things. I would love if Samsung actually did some kind of iteration of this, because this looks pretty good. I mean, obviously this is a concept video, so I don't think they're going to go too in depth of the functionality of the display, because it's just a concept, but looks good. Yeah, so that's the video. The concept looks pretty interesting. Again, it just looks like a merge between the iPhone and the Z Flip. So I think that concept is pretty nice. Who knows what Samsung has under their sleeve for this year's release of the Z Flip 5. Personally, I'm excited to see it. I will be upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So if you want to see an unboxing, a review, tips and tricks, special features, daily pro tips, all that good stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be doing all of that. And that's usually what I do for any phone that I get. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you had the Z Flip 4 or 3, or any of the flips, let me know what was your experience with it from one of the videos I posted before. A lot of people had issues with the screen, especially where it folds, where that hinges. It started to have some issues long term, and I won't even say long term, I would say short term, because people started experiencing issues, me as well, at the 8-month mark. So 8 months to a year. I think some people even said 6 months. I'll say 6 months to a year. That's when people started discovering problems with that screen, as far as where it folds, or as far as where it folds, where that hinge is. So it just created some issues. Hopefully Samsung addresses it. They didn't mention anything last year with their release on addressing that issue, even though it was a major problem. So we'll see if they touch on that this year, and if they redesign anything. Again, Samsung makes the best folding or flipping phones on the market. So if anybody can tackle it, I believe they could. But yeah, we'll see what it looks like this year. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And as always, thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Peace.